watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Use these easy and adorable farmhouse-inspired DIY spring decor ideas to liven up your place. These projects are inexpensive and ideal for giving your house a homely feel. Now, let's get going. Simple farmhouse rustic design. Make a rustic centerpiece out of inexpensive Dollar Tree items to add a little country elegance on a budget. Brilliant sewing-free hand towel wall hanging plus Easter project. With hand towels, you can make a cute wall hanging that would look great hanging from your Easter decor without needing to sew. Farmhouse Spring Mason Jar Planter. Turn regular mason jars into stylish planters to infuse your home with a touch of farmhouse style and the essence of spring. DIY farmhouse wooden box centerpiece. Give your spring table setting a rustic touch by building a wooden box centerpiece to display fresh flowers or foliage. Spring picket fence sign with paint sticks. Incorporate a little bit of springtime joy into your home decor by creating a charming picket fence sign with basic paint sticks. DIY spring centerpiece. Create a charming centerpiece that evokes the beauty of a flowering spring garden by arranging a bucket of fresh flowers. Beautiful DIY spring terrarium. Make a tiny indoor spring garden with colorful flowers and greenery in a terrarium. DIY upcycled umbrella flower arrangement. Give your spring decor a quirky and whimsical touch by repurposing an old umbrella into a lovely flower arrangement. Framing pressed flowers between glass. Create gorgeous botanical art pieces for your house by framing pressed flowers between glass to preserve the beauty of spring blooms. Make a gorgeous vase out of scrapbook paper to give your springtime floral arrangements a splash of color and design. DIY painted terracotta pot. Add a personal touch to terracotta pots by painting them. These pots are ideal for displaying your favorite herbs or spring flowers. Glass bottles and wood can be combined to make fashionable vases that are perfect for showcasing your garden's most recent harvest of flowers. Print these adorable labels for your apothecary jars to give your springtime storage ideas a retro feel. Spring apothecary jar labels printable. Make exquisite cherry blossoms out of tissue paper to bring the beauty of springtime flowers indoors all year long. Decorative bird's nest. Craft charming bird's nests from organic materials, ideal for incorporating whimsy into your spring table arrangement. Make your own spring pillow with scrap fabric. Incorporate some color and comfort into your farmhouse decor by sewing a soft spring pillow from scrap fabric. Dollar Tree Spring Decor DIY. Use your imagination to create lovely spring decor elements that you can't afford to buy. Country Mason Jar Centerpiece. To create a centerpiece that embodies the spirit of spring, arrange mason jars filled with wildflowers. Make a chic spring accent piece for your home decor out of a basic Dollar Tree tray with this easy DIY project. Flower Chandelier. Use fake flowers to create a gorgeous chandelier that will bring a romantic and elegant touch to any space in your house. Enjoy the pleasures of springtime with these fun do-it-yourself projects that add farmhouse charm and festive decor to your property. These decorating ideas are sure to spark creativity and add brightness to your area, whether you're decorating for Easter or just enjoying the beauty of the season.